Hello everyone, this is Amol Adik. I think your in-plant training will be finished after a few days, so your academic will start. So we start from your specializations. First of all, congratulations to all for choosing the his specializations his own way, simultaneously choosing for the production operations. In this semester, production operation has a six subject. The first subject is production planning and control. Second one is purchasing and material management. Third one is service operation management. Fourth one, applied operation research. Fifth one, logistic management. Sixth one, world class manufacturing. These all six subjects, every subject has a 4 credit. Simultaneously, every subject university durations of exam only 3 hours for each subject. Every subject internal marks 20 and every subject has university exams for 80 marks. Total marks of each subject is 100. Now, what is mean by the production? Production production is based on a 6M like man, machine, material, money, management and method. So first of all we will see the definition. Production is the organized activity of transforming resources into finished product in the form of goods and services. We can also define the converting a raw material into the finished good by using the different type of 6 M's like man, machine, method, material, money and management. By using this 6M we can convert every single raw material by using the transforming process or also called as a conversion process into the finished good, that is called a production. The production has objectives. The objective is to be satisfied the demand for such a transformation resources. The resources may be depending on uh, several factors. The information is also main part. The capital is also uh, important part in resources. Machine is the also main part. So these are the factors are mostly important for the resources. In that the production feedback system is also there, it depending on the customer demand. Then there are the type of productions. In that the type of productions, for general purpose it is necessary to classify the production into the three main part. The first is a primary production. The primary production is carried out by the extractive industry like agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining and oil extractive. These industries are engaged in such activity as extracting the gift of nature from the earth's surface. So that kind of industry are including in a primary production system. Then secondary production system, the this include the production in a manufacturing industry such as turning out a semi-finished and finished good from raw material and intermediate goods. Conversion of a flour, for example, conversion of a flour meal into the bread or iron ore converted into the finished steel. That kind of production system comes in including in a secondary production system. They are generally described as a manufacturing and construction industries also, such as a manufacture of the cars, furniture, furnishing, clothing, and chemical, as also engineering and building. These are the most attractive examples of secondary production. Third one is territory production. In territory production, industry in the territory sectors produce all those services which are enable the finished good to be put in the hands of consumer. In fact, these services are supplied to the firm in all type of industries and directly to the customer. Examples: cover distributed traders, banking, insurance, transport, and communications. Government services such as law, administrations, educations, health, defense are also included in a टेरिटरी प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम. टेरिटरी प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो किसी भी कस्टमर या कंज्यूमर के हाथ में कोई भी गुड्स हम उनको प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन जो हम उनको गुड्स देते हैं वो इनडायरेक्ट फॉर्म में रहता है. जैसे कि गवर्नमेंट की जो भी सर्विसेज रहेगी वो सर्विसेज हम उनको डायरेक्टली उनकी डे टू डे लाइफ में इम्पैक्ट होगा. ऐसी ही सर्विस टेरिटरी प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम में आते हैं. देन सेकेंड वन इज फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. In that the factor of productions of a commodity or services require in using a certain resources or factor of productions, since most of the resources necessary to carry out on a production system. We can see the figures. There is the land, labor, capital. These are the input material. These input material we provide to the factors to the inputs. These inputs we provide to the certain kind of industries or productive enterprises which organize them to produce. At that the enterprises will convert this land, labors and capitals and another extra resources will converted into the output for the customer demand, or these customer demands or goods will be supplied to the market. This is the factor of production. Now production planning. In that the production planning, the definitions of production planning is: planning may be defined as the deciding in advance what to be done in the future. That is called as a production planning. Simultaneously, it is the process of thinking before doing it. It is called as a production planning. Simultaneously, it is the process of a managerial participations in the futures and according to decide what activity must be undertaken. One more thing is that planning decide in the future what to do, how to do, when to do, who to do, and whom to do. These are the um, things come in the planning sections. And the second one is the planning process. In that the planning process, these are the stages: perceptions of opportunity, establishing objectives, planning premises, identify of alternatives, evaluations of alternative, choice of alternative plans, formulating of supporting, establishing sequence of activities. These are the process of planning. First of all, perceptions of opportunities. When we converting a raw material into the finished good, at that time we have to find out opportunity in our premises. What we produce, at that time we have to perceive this opportunity. Afterward we have to establishing the objective. At the time of opportunity, if we found the opportunity, then we have to establishing the object about the opportunity. Then third one is the planning premises. In that time we have to plan about the opportunity, what how to convert this opportunity into the goods. So that that kind of things we have to plan in that the premises. Simultaneously, the next stage is identifications of alternative. At that time every industry has a risk, so we have to identify the alternatives also. If we are doing the business in a gear manufacturing industries, simultaneously we have to find out the another alternatives in the casting, molding, simultaneously insurance policies, then administrations work. We have to identifications of alternatives also. After identify the alternatives, we have to evaluate these alternatives. Then whenever we evaluate the alternatives, we have to choose of alternative plans, how to convert this opportunity into the alternative plans we have to choose in that the particular stage. And next one is a formulating of supporting, how to formulate to the alternatives and support to the alternative. And whenever we support the alternative, the establishing sequence of the alternative. These are the process of planning. Then the next one is production and control. The definitions of production control is systematic planning, coordinating and directing of all manufacturing activities, and influence to ensure having good made on the time of adequate quality and at the reasonable cost. That is called the production control. प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल जनरली हे जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या लाईनवर काम करत असतो, तर त्या कामाच्या वेळेस आपल्या मध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचा डिफेक्ट येऊ नये यासाठी आपण ज्या प्रिव्हियस प्लॅनिंग करतो, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग करतो किंवा त्या प्रोडक्टला डिरेक्टिंग करतो, या प्रोसेसला प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी असे म्हणतात. Then type of production controls. There are the three type of production control: management control, inventory control and quality control. The management control, one of the managerial functions like planning, organizing, staffing and directing. It is the important functions because it helps to check the error and to take the corrective action so that the deviation from the standard are minimized and stated goal of organizations are achieved in a desired manner. That is, management control will be covered in this particular thing. Second one is inventory control, the supervision of a supply, storage and accessibility of items in order to ensure an adequate supply without excessive oversupply. The quality control, the process by which entities review the quality of all factors involved in a production. Next one is what is the meaning of production planning and control. Production planning control is an important task for the production manager. It has to see the production process is properly decided in advance and it is carried out as per the plan. Production is related to the conversion of a raw material into the finished good. This conversion process involves a number of steps such as deciding what to produce, how to produce, when to produce, etc. These decisions are a part of production planning. Merely deciding about the task is not sufficient. The whole process should be carried out in a best possible way and at the lowest cost. The production manager will have to see that the things proceed as per the plan. This is the control functions of a production planning and control. Thank you. In this production planning subject, we start the first unit. The remaining part will be continued for the next video. Thank you.